Japan-South Korea relations refers to the bilateral relations between Japan and South Korea. After the division of Korea, Japan and South Korea established diplomatic relations in December 1965, under the Treaty on Basic Relations between Japan and the Republic of Korea, with Japan recognizing South Korea as the only legitimate government of the whole Korean peninsula. Japan and South Korea are close geographical neighbors, and since the end of World War II are both allied with the United States. Despite this, the relationship between the two states have been continuously strained and unfriendly, due to many disputes. These disputes include territorial claims on Liangcourt Rocks, Japanese Prime Minister's visits to Yasukuni Shrine, and differing views on Imperial Japan's treatment of colonial Korea, as well as Japan's refusal to negotiate Korea's demands that it apologize or pay reparations for mistreatment of World War II comfort women from Korea. The diplomatic blue book by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan in 2018 removed the phrase present in the previous year, referring to the ROK as Japan's most important neighbor that shares strategic interests with Japan. These tensions have complicated American aspirations and efforts to promote a front against China as a common enemy. According to a 2014 BBC World Service poll, 13% of Japanese view South Korea's influence positively, with 37% expressing a negative view, while 15% of South Koreans view Japanese influence positively, with 79% expressing negatively, making South Korea, after China, the country with the second most negative perception of Japan in the world. In line with the 1965 Reconciliation Treaty, Japan continued to improve its relations with South Korea. Tokyo provided $300 million as compensation to comfort women, forced laborers and other victims, and extended an additional $200 million credit to Seoul. And Prime Minister Sato attended official functions in July, the first visit of a Japanese premier to post-war Korea. Nevertheless, Seoul objected violently to occasional visits by Japanese politicians to North Korea, to the continuation of Red Cross repatriation of Korean residents in Japan to North Korea, and to the proposal of Tokyo Governor Minobe to permit a pro-North Korean university in Tokyo. The Japanese Foreign Ministry opposed Minobe on this issue in order to prove its loyalty to South Korea. Meanwhile, contacts between Japan and South Korea increased through new air routes, tourism, and trade. In 1975, South Korean-Japanese relations improved following the July settlement of a two-year-old feud that began when South Korean agents abducted Kim Dae-jung, an opposition leader, from a Tokyo hotel. As a result of the settlement, a long-delayed ministerial conference was held in Seoul in September to discuss economic cooperation between the two countries. Japan joined the United States in providing assurances for South Korea's security. In a joint statement by Japanese Prime Minister Take Miki and President Ford declared, "The security of the Republic of Korea is necessary for peace and security in East Asia, including Japan." In 1996, FIFA announced that the two countries would jointly host the 2002 FIFA World Cup. The next few years would see leaders of both countries meet to warm relations in preparations for the Games, though citizens of both countries were initially unhappy about having to share the honors with the other, and the Liangcourt Rocks controversy flared up again. The event turned out to be very successful. According to David Kang and Jun Bang, South Korea has tried to create a peaceful middle ground with other North Asian countries such as Japan, for business and trade because of its objective to be the center of Asian business. The two argue that this agreement favors China more than Japan due to South Korea's unsafe political security history with Japan, which has affected the Seoul-Tokyo economic relations. This has led to a decrease in trade and export between both countries. Japanese tourism is one of the big exporting services South Korea offers, which decreased by a rate of approximately 23% between the year 2012 and 2013. In 2013, South Korea banned the import of fish from 8 states in Japan due to growing concerns over the Fukushima nuclear power plant waste incident. after Tokyo Electric Power Company declared the incident to be a radioactive waste a couple of years after the earthquake. Japan considered the ban a hostile move, leading the Japanese government to file a complaint to the World Trade Organization in May 2015, claiming that Seoul was discriminating against Japanese seafood. In October 2017, the WTO issued a ruling, with reports stating that South Korea lost the case. On April 12, 2019, the WTO overturned its initial 2013 decision. Nearly 50 countries have enacted bans on Japanese imports following the nuclear disaster of 2011. Though Japan has only filed a case to the WTO exclusively.